They tell you to never read the comments, but I guess Miley Cyrus never got the memo. But in the event that you do drag Miley in the comments, be prepared for her to clap back. What's up, y'all? It's Emile Ennis Jr. here with Clevver News, and Miley Cyrus's highly anticipated She Is Coming EP dropped last week. And let's just say she's been scrounging the internet ever since looking for reviews. In particular, negative reviews. Well, she certainly won't find one here because I've been bumping the 6 tracks ever since they came out, but I couldn't help but notice Miley was popping off on Twitter about someone who hasn't been bumping the track. So Miley tweeted early Tuesday morning, "I finally found a shitty review of She Is Coming." So the review comes from High Snobiety, which is a blog for sharing the best in fashion, footwear, music, art, and culture. Now in the article, the writer calls Miley's newest project a directionless hot mess express, and they give it a score 2 out of 5. That's failing for anyone who is like me and sucks at math. Now the writer picks apart her song Mother's Daughter, which is described as obviously a tribute to her mother TRISH, and this song seems like it might have been rejected from the Captain Marvel soundtrack, and with good reason. Miley had the perfect, and I mean perfect, clapback saying, "P.S. My mom's name is Tish. Hashtag do your research. Hashtag after you suck my d." The article then calls Miley's 2017 album, I'm sorry, I was not expecting that hashtag, but the article then calls Miley's 2017 album Younger Now a snooze fest. Miley continued with her clapback saying, "P.S. Thanks for putting buy stream link at the end of your article, although I'm pretty sure everyone has bought and streamed, but I'm sure it was helpful for those who are as out of touch as you are." Now, I'm pretty sure the person who wrote the article didn't expect to hear back from Miley, or they probably would have held back on their true feelings just a little bit more. Perfect example, this morning it appears the writer went back through the article and changed her mom's name from Trish to Tish. But Miley will give them credit for one thing. She tweeted, "At least you fact-checked one thing though," referencing a line in the article reading, "She'll always be a talented singer-songwriter with a voice that could kill." And Miley's fans came to her side, tweeting along with her. One said, "Girl, you know damn well She Is Coming is timeless art." Another said, "They're mad because their hair is flat." I'm not so sure about that last one, but fans have some points. The EP is good. And that's not just me saying it. Metacritic gave her EP a score of 79, while fans and users gave it a 9.2 out of 10, which is passing for those of you who just aren't good at math like me. So guys, what do you think of Miley's response? A bit harsh or well-deserved? Also, do you like her newest EP? And what's your favorite song? Let me know in the comment section below. After that, make sure you subscribe to Clevver News right over here and click that bell so you get all the updates. Then click right over here for the newest story from us. And of course, thank you so much for watching Clevver News. I'm Emile Ennis Jr. and I will see you next time.